What is research? It's fundamentally inquiry. You use it to make new discoveries and reach new conclusions. Any field that progresses our lives forward requires research. Scientific research is when you conduct experiments to test theories, to prove or disprove them. Market research is when you make the effort to understand the market, your competitors, and customers' preferences, with the ultimate goal of improved sales. In design research, you understand your user as humans in their habitats to find out their real needs, problems, and pain points, all with the end goal of solving a problem, fixing a pain point that you identify, thereby creating value by design. Design research is your first step to understanding your user. And since design thinking is human-centered and interdisciplinary, the design research process doesn't purely come from the design field. With inspiration from sociology and anthropology, design thinking research methods borrow from ethnography. What is ethnography? Ethnography, or field research, is a field of sociology, the only one in all sciences that allow the researcher to use human senses, feelings, and features to research. Ethnographers usually research culture by living in it, feeling it, being a part of it. This rich way of understanding human behavior and habits shows nuances that numbers and metrics simply can't. Designers and ethnographers have different goals, though. While an ethnographer spends years immersed in a culture, and the goal may be research itself, designers immerse in culture to learn from it and create something new, either to solve a problem or to improve an existing product, service, or system in place. Design research is about going deep. Of course, both market and design research are necessary in developing effective solutions. While market research tells us what people prefer, design research goes deeper into why, discovering the intention and motivation behind why people behave the way they do. Technologists and inventors may first invent something great and then try to find a need for it in people's lives. But the designer's process always starts with people, their culture and the life as it is, and their needs and desires. And this has proven successful, even for big companies who have used design research to develop products that meet needs and even users have yet to articulate to themselves. Look at this example where design was used to simplify technology and make it relevant and truly useful to people for something as simple as a toothbrush. Braun and Oral-B wanted to design an IoT electric toothbrush to track how well users were brushing each and every tooth, to tell them about their gum sensitivity and play music. But the designers had a different approach. They wanted to think about how additional technology could solve a couple of really big frustrations with the product, instead of making it just another activity tracker. The insight: a toothbrush is already loaded with guilt that you're not doing it properly or enough. Instead of adding to a user's neurosis about brushing, the designers wanted to give them less to worry about. The two features they decided would be most useful were around charging the toothbrush and ordering replacement heads. These problems were fixed with a charging dock and an app that sent a reminder to phones to buy replacements. The philosophy guiding their design decision: we're curators of technology and looking for what's realistic and what's pleasurable and beneficial to users.